Good morning, beta. How are you all? Hope you have enjoyed your vacations. Yesterday, roll number 1 to 20 will send me their holidays homework. You will send me the holidays homework in one single PDF. Don't send me separate PDF for different things. Only one PDF you will send me that will include your activities, your questions, and each and everything. Okay? And you will send me the holidays homework personally. Don't send in the group. Okay, so roll number 1 to 20 will send me the holidays homework today. And remaining will send me tomorrow. Okay. Now listen, beta. Before the vacations, we were discussing chapter playing with number, and we have discussed the general form of the number. Can anybody tell me what is the general form of the two-digit number? If I write a two-digit number AB, what will be the general form of this number? Yes, Harman, Tanisha. Simmer, Jasmine.
And the general form will be A plus B.
What? Speak again.
And the general form of the AB will be A plus B.
Arish, is it correct? No.
Ma'am, A multiplied by B. AB. A multiplied by B.
Wrong, beta. General form of the number. Expanded form of the number. क्या हो गया?
Ten A plus B.
Yes, it's 10A plus B. Yes, A is at the tens place, so its general form will be 10A plus B. The example is 25, then the answer is 2 into 10 plus 5. 32, 3 into 10 plus 2. So this is the general form of the number that you can say it as expanded form as well. If I write a three-digit number 147, then the general form is 1 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 7. Is it okay? Is it clear? Now this is called the general form of the number, that is also called the expanded form. Yes, write this. In the general form 125. Write 123 in the general form. 1 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 3. Check it out. 1 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 3. Yes, we have discussed 4 formulas also. First formula that we have done is, if I write a number AB and if we will write the general form of this as 10A plus B, and if we will reverse this number as, if we will reverse this number as BA, the general form is 10B plus A. And if you will add them, you will get AB plus BA as 10A plus 1A is 11A, 10B plus 1B is 11B. If I take 11 common, this will be your A plus B. So AB plus BA is equal to 11 times A plus B. That means if you will make the sum of the two-digit number with its reverse, and you will divide the sum by 11, then the answer is sum of the digits. Then the answer is sum of digits. If you remember, we have discussed this thing also. And if you will divide the sum of the two-digit number with its reverse, and that will be divided by the sum of the digit, then the answer will be 11. This we have already done before the vacation. Did you remember about that? Did you remember? So this general form we have done. This is the derivation of the first formula. When the two-digit number is added with its reverse, then the answer will be 11 times a plus b. That means if you divide it by 11, the answer will be sum of the digit. If you divide it by the sum of the digit, answer will be 11. Yes, instead of sum, if you will make the difference of this, then what will happen? What formula you will get? If instead of sum, if you will make the difference of these two, what you will get? Can anybody tell me the formula? If you take the difference of these two, this is your second formula that we have already done, and hope you all have done that in the fair notebook also. And if you haven't done it so far, then please do it today as your homework. This formula, this is your second formula that you will do in the fair notebook. If you have already done, then no need to do it again. Yes.
Ma'am, the formula will be AB plus BA is equal to
AB
9A minus 9.
AB minus BA, beta. Rest is correct, but AB minus BA. If I return the two-digit number in the general form, if I write the reverse of this number as 10B minus 10B plus A, if instead of addition, if I will subtract it, what you will get? AB minus BA is equal to 10A plus B minus 10B minus A. That is 9A minus 9B. Then answer is the difference of the two-digit number. Then if you will divide it by 9, the answer is difference of digits. In addition, you have got sum of digit, where you will get difference of digits. One important thing is missing here. Can you tell me? One important thing is missing here. Here, A is always greater than B because we want to subtract B from it. So in this case, A is always greater than B. If not so, then you will subtract BA from it. A बड़ा है ना, ये बड़ा है, तो बड़े नंबर में से छोटा माइनस करें. अगर आप ऐसा नहीं करते तो आपका नेगेटिव आंसर आएंगे दोनों साइड. So better to take instead of AB minus BA, B is greater, then you will take BA minus A. अगर आपका B बड़ा है तो आप AB वाली टर्म, जो बड़ा है वो पहले आएगा. अगर A वाली टर्म बड़ी है तो then A will be at first. If B is greater, then BA will be at the first. Rest of the things will be same. And if B is greater, then the formula will change to B minus A. If A is greater, then it will be A minus B. बड़े में से छोटे को माइनस करोगे ना, so it will be A minus B. If B is greater, then you will take B minus. Here, the second thing that you will derive is AB minus BA divided by A minus B will give you 9 as the question, 9 as the answer. Any doubt? अकुल अटेंडेंस मार्क कर लेना, ठीक है, एंड सेंड मी द नेम ऑफ द एब्सेंटीज. Next is beta third formula and fourth formula we will discuss later on. We have already done, but we will revise it again. Now we are starting with the questions letters for digits. जो letters हैं उनकी जगह आपने digits introduce करनी है. I am discussing about the example number 1 on page number 254. Look here, beta. You have to find the value of the missing alphabet Q so that the sum of these two will become 1. Is it possible कि यहाँ पर 3 है तो यहाँ पर sum में 1 आ जाए? Is it possible? Because 3 is already greater than 1. So that means this is not 1, this is 11. क्योंकि 3 बड़ा है ना, तो इसका मतलब ये 1 नहीं है, ये क्या है? 11. क्लियर है? अगर यहाँ पे 0 होता तो Q की वैल्यू क्या आ जाती? 1 plus 0 is 1. ठीक है? लेकिन now here I'm having 3. So which number should be written at the place of Q so that the sum of Q and 3 will become 11? So Q plus 3 is your 11. So the value of Q is your 8. Value of Q is 8. Got it? If I write 8 here, so please check it. Are we getting the correct answer? 8 plus 3, 11. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10. 3, 4, 5. We are getting the same answer. And here, if I have written the value of Q as 8, here at this place, again, I have written 8 and the answer is matching. Answer is same, exactly same. That means the value of Q is 8. Got it? So this is your first example. Is there any Ashwani in your class? No? Ananya is there in class? Ananya. Example number 2. Now look here, beta. Here, A has been written 3 times. What should be the value of A so that if you add the A 3 times, you will get a 2-digit number here. अगर आप यहाँ 1 लिखते हो, 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3, single digit, not valid. 2 लिखते हो, 6 आएगा. 3 लिखते हो, 9 आएगा sum. 4 लिखते हो, 12 आएगा. But here A should be same. जो digit आपने यहाँ 4 लिखी है, यहाँ पे भी वही आना चाहिए. Means 4 valid नहीं है. Next is your 5. Answer is 15. So as you can see that if you add 5, 5, 5, your answer is 15. And the last digit is exactly same as A. So that means this is your answer. So value of A is your 5. And what is the value of B here? Yes, Herman, what is the value of B here? B की वैल्यू क्या है यहाँ पे?
मैम 15.
B की वैल्यू बेटा B की कंपेयर करो इससे. ये B है, ये A है.
मैम 13 होगी बी की वैल्यू।
ए की जगह क्या लिखा है 5, ए की जगह 5, ए की जगह 5, यहाँ ए की जगह 5, बी की जगह यहाँ क्या दिख रहा है आपको
1।
1, तो बी की वैल्यू 1 है। 13 कैसे
ओके
आया?
मैम।
13 कैसे आया?
नहीं मैम, वो ए के साथ 13 लिखा था तो मुझे लगा 13 है।
ये देखो ना, कंपेयर करो, ए, ये भी ए, तो जो बच गया वो बी है। तो ए की वैल्यू आ गई आपके पास 5 और बी की वैल्यू आ गई।
ओके मैम।
इज इट ओके? एनी डाउट? तन्मय, समीक्षा, डू यू हैव एनी डाउट बेटा? अब ये हम कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज 16.1। पहले हम प्लस वाले सम कर रहे हैं, फिर हम मल्टीप्लाई स्टार्ट करेंगे। तन्मय, ऑन योर वीडियो फर्स्ट। नाउ लुक हियर बेटा, यहाँ देखो, as you can see that 5 is already greater than 2, so it should not be 2, it should be 12. Got it? Five is already greater than 2. That means this number is not 2, it is 12. So can I write here a plus 5 is equal to 12, a is equal to 7. Now, if I write 7 here, what will be the value of b? Now let's find that. 3, 7, 2, 5, add them. आपको दोनों वेरिएबल में से एक मिल गया, a की वैल्यू 7, I have written that, now I am going to add. 7 plus 5 is 12, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. Now can you tell me the value of b from here? Value of b is 6. Please check it out. Check out the answer. Is it correct? A is 7, B is 6. Now please start the next part. Question number 2 of the same exercise. Hurry up, I am waiting for you. Solve the second part. In the fourth part, A and B both were missing. So we have started from the first part. 6 बनाना था. अगर आप यहाँ 3 लेते हो तो 3 plus 3 6 होता है. लेकिन suppose carry forward आ रहा है, तो मैंने 1 carry forward लगा दिया, तो A की वैल्यू क्या आएगी 2, क्योंकि 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 1 is 6. तो मैंने A की वैल्यू 2 यहाँ सपोज कर ली, वहां से B आ गया 5. तो आपके पास A की वैल्यू 2 और B की वैल्यू 5 लेने पे आंसर यू आर गेटिंग एज सेम 62. बट इफ यू टेक A as 3, then you are getting the answer as 73 instead of 762. So that means A cannot be 3, it should be 2 only. Now start the 8th part, which is again of plus. Hurry up, start the 8th part. Tomorrow we will discuss multiplication questions with 2 derivations. 4 derivations are there, 2 we have already discussed, and in fact all the 4 derivations we have discussed before the vacations also, before the exam. So we will revise again 2 derivations with multiplication sum that we will do tomorrow. Yes, today's homework is you will do the even number of questions from this addition topic. 2, 4, 2, 4 and 8, 10. 2, 4, 8, 10. From this first exercise, your homework is 2, 4, 8 and 10. 6 is of multiplication, so we will discuss in the next class. So your homework is 2, 4, 8, 10. Whenever you are having any problem regarding your internet issue, then enter with your off video. So that will be better. It will not disconnect your connection again and again. So always enter with your off video if you are having any problem regarding internet. Yes, Jasmine.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, when we have to send the homework?
You are not audible, beta. Your voice is so low. Not able to get you. In the 8th part, beta, again 2 variables are there. A, 1, 1, B. B, 0. Now the value of B you have to write here. We want 0 here. Actually 1 is already greater than 0. So it will not be 0, it will be 10. Instead of 0, it will be 10. So 1 plus B is equal to 10. B कितना आ गया? 9. Now put the value here. If I write 9 here, 9 plus 1 is 10. We want B here. आपके पास B 9 है. यहाँ पर भी मैंने 9 लिख दिया. आपने B की वैल्यू फाइंड कर ली ना 9, तो वो B की वैल्यू यहाँ लिख देनी. अब मुझे आप बता सकते हो A की वैल्यू क्या आएगी? 1 plus 1 2 है. 2 में क्या प्लस करें कि 9 आ जाए? 2 तो ऑलरेडी है ना. 9 we want to make. So value of A will be 7. So 7 plus 2 is your 9. So the value of A is 7 and B is 9. Start the next part, 9th part. Start the 9th and 10th question, hurry up. Let's see who will give me the answer of the 9th part. Yes, Ananya.
Ma'am, the value of A is 4 and the value of B is 7.
Okay. As you can see that 8 we want as answer, 1 is already there. So if I write B as 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. Here B is again 7. 7 यहाँ पे आपके पास 7 given है, यहाँ 1 है. So 7 is already greater than 1. So it will not be 1, it will be 11. तो आप कह सकते हो यहाँ पर A plus 7 is equal to 11. A की वैल्यू क्या आ गई? 4. ये A की वैल्यू क्या आ गई? 4. ठीक है, ये 11 आ गया, ये 1 कैरी हो गया. A की वैल्यू क्या है? 4. 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 1 7. तो A की वैल्यू आ गई 4, B की वैल्यू आ गई. Got it? Any doubt? Harman, is it clear? Next part start करो, 10th part. Start the 10th part. बेटा जो आपकी क्लास के रोल नंबर्स हैं, रोल नंबर 1 इज अधीश और अर्शप्रीत. अधीश है. यस कविश.
मैम ए की वैल्यू 8 है, बी की 1.